Nigloland is a beautiful theme park in France. Located 2.5 hours east of Paris, this park has a unique ride lineup. There are plenty of scenic attractions to capitalize on this park's beauty. There are some nice roller coasters from Mack rides, and this park also has some well-executed Disney knockoffs. So in this video, I will rank this park's top 15 rides and attractions. Number 15. Lonval de Papillon. This is a monorail. You pass over the park's junior area, getting a nice overview of those rides. Then you also pass over the Rivier and Chantilly boat ride and its respective garden. This was the highlight for me. Number 14. Schiit Express. This is a well-designed art engineering family coaster. The trains are comfortable, and the track is super smooth. The ride is light on the forces, but you may get a smidge of G's on the helix, and a hint of airtime on one bunny hill. Then the layout is plussed by a fun soundtrack, and plenty of landscaping around it, and you get 2 laps as a bonus. Number 13. Schiit Express. This is a Mack Wild Mouse. There is quite a bit of braking, so the laterals during the hairpin turns are not too extreme, but they're still solid. You have enough speed to get a pop of airtime on the largest drop, but the subsequent dips are much slower due to the trims. Number 12. Ferme Donana. This is a tracked tractor ride. The course passes several static animals with audio cues. These look and sound solid, but the finale is the highlight. You pass a pen with real live goats. Number 11. Grizzly. This is a Zamperla disco coaster. It offers the standard forces. You get some solid spinning, particularly as you're whipped over the center hump. The far spikes offer a pinch of weightlessness. Then the ride's positioned close to trees to accentuate the sense of speed. Number 10. Herizon de la Forêt Magique. This is a cute little tracked ride. It is mostly outdoors past some statues, but you head in this covered rock formation briefly. There, you have some murals and 2 show scenes. They are simple, but it is a nice surprise. And the course has some pizzazz to it, as it is not flat. You have these small humps along the route. Number 9. Rivier Canadian. This is the park's Mack log flume. It is a shorter layout, but it has nice placement. You are surrounded by trees, and you have the gold mine train powered coaster cycling overhead. Then you have one drop at the end. It's okay, but it adds a pinch of thrills to the experience. Number 8. Grand Rue. This is a massive Ferris wheel from Gerstlauer. Standing 196 feet or 60 meters tall, you get some fantastic views of the park. I especially love the shots of the nearby Alpena Blitz and Krampus Expedition. You also can appreciate just how green and well landscaped the park is. Number 7. Air Meeting. This is a Gerstlauer Skyfly, but this is one of the harder ones to flip. There's a lot of resistance. Usually, I can get 30 to 40 flips in these, but I only got one full inversion here, and that required a timely gust of wind. Most of the time, I was only able to rotate the gondola 270 to 300 degrees. That was still thrilling, but it didn't give me the out-of-control experience I'm used to with this model. Number 6. Africa Cruise. This is Nigloland's take on the Jungle Cruise. There's no guide or narration, but you have these slow-moving boats in a pond surrounded by greenery. Then you pass all sorts of animal statues, several of which have some degree of motion or animation. Number 5. Krampus Expedition. This Mack water coaster is the park's most expensive addition yet, and it is their best water ride. The ride is nicely dressed up with a custom soundtrack and some theming, most notably the Krampus rockwork by the splashdown. The coaster bit doesn't have any airtime, and it shakes on the turns, but the spiral drop has some laterals, and the final drop, which is weirdly profiled, offers a bit of a falling sensation. The final splash offers the perfect amount of wetness, and I have a full review going more in depth if you want to hear more. Number 4. Manoir Haunt. This is Nigloland's take on Disney's Haunted Mansion, and they are not subtle about it. You pass some familiar scenes such as the ballroom and hitchhiking ghosts, and they're reasonably well done. Then there quite literally is a scene where Mickey Mouse is lying in a bed. Adding to the experience is the unique ride system. You sit in what looks like your standard wooden park bench, bolted to a spinning platform, and as you make your way through the layout, you spin, especially if your car is off balance. Number 3. Spacal Experience. This is a space-themed indoor roller coaster for Mack rides. It feels similar to Eurosat Europa Park before the retrack. After a spiral lift hill, you have a twisted layout near total darkness. This makes the coaster feel faster than it really is. Then, there are a handful of twists and turns in the dark offering sudden and sharp laterals. You can really get slammed sideways. I recommend sitting in the front row. Not only are the laterals noticeably stronger, but it's quite a bit smoother as well. Number 2. Donjon Del Extreme. This is a massive drop tower from Fun Time. Standing 328 feet or 100 meters tall, this attraction towers over everything in the park and surrounding area. So as you may guess, you get some great bird's eye views, especially because the gondola rotates in the ascent. Then the drop is exciting as well. It is a very long drop and you float the whole way down. And coming in at number 1 is Alpena Blitz. This is a mini mega coaster for Mack rides. This layout was clearly inspired by the Intamin Megalites, and I think this coaster is even better. It has so much airtime. The drop offers solid ejector airtime. The following turn is a hard gray out for me. The next 2 large hills have fun floater airtime. Then the S hills in the middle have strong ejector pops and nice lateral simultaneously. Then the bunny hills offer good ejector as well, particularly in the back row once the coaster is fully warmed up. Add in the uber comfortable Mack trains and smooth tracking, and this coaster is an absolute delight. If you want to learn more, I have a full review published to the channel going more in depth. Those are my favorite 15 rides and attractions at Nigloland in France as of the 2024 season. This list could change in the next few years as the park plans to add their largest coaster yet, and it is strongly rumored to be a Mack Striker coaster, which would be an amazing addition, and it could become the park's new best ride. What are your thoughts on any of the rides at this theme park? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.